In the dim light of All Hallows' Eve, a jack-o'-lantern candle flickers. From the mist appears a plump orange pumpkin, round as the harvest moon. Our shadowy conjurer grasps a gleaming blade, carefully carving a crown with jagged edges, a gateway to the delicious horrors that await within. With a black spoon, dark as midnight, we scoop out the pumpkin's innards, releasing its earthly essence. The hollow vessel now awaits its transformation. Blood-red ketchup cascades down the pumpkin walls, painting them with crimson potential. Behold, a whole onion appears in our enchanted skillet. With a wave of our hand and a whispered incantation, it transforms into perfectly diced pieces. A splash of oil, and our ritual begins. As the onion dances in the pan, tender chicken joins the magical brew. The ingredients waltz together in their sizzling ceremony. But wait, there's more. We summon the spirits of seasoning. Add red paprika, a pinch of wickedly good salt, and a spoonful of flour, white as a ghost's shroud. 1 minute of enchantment, and our filling achieves perfection. Into the pumpkin's belly goes our bewitched mixture. Take the cheese and cut it into cubes. Layer upon layer of cubic cheese follows, like stones in a witch's wall. Circles of salami, red as autumn leaves, blanket our creation. Scattered amongst the layers, peculiar mushrooms peek out, perhaps plucked from a fairy ring under the full moon. Toasted pumpkin seeds rain down like magical dust. For the final touch of macabre magnificence, 2 chicken legs emerge from the heart of our creation. Through our enchanted looking glass, we inspect our handiwork. Yes, perfectly dreadful. The jagged crown returns to its throne, sealing in the dark delights within. Into the fires of transformation it goes. 180 degrees of mystical heat. 90 minutes pass as the moon crosses the sky. Behold, our creation emerges, steaming with supernatural splendor. The lid rises to reveal our masterpiece, now adorned with spiced gingerbread guardians. Witness the stretching strands of molten cheese, reaching like spectral fingers into the night. A feast fit for the spirits themselves. The old witch's pizza is ready. No yeast, no kneading, no dough, just the way you like it. And don't forget, anyone who doesn't subscribe or like will turn into an old pumpkin. Happy haunting.